Hello and welcome to PDF.co. Today we will be showing you how to use PDF.co and make to parse table items and add them as line items. For the full tutorial, please check the link in the description box below. Feel free to visit PDF.co for more information. We'll use a sample PDF invoice to demonstrate how to parse table data and add it as a line item to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by logging into your Make account and clicking on the Create a New Scenario button. After creating a new scenario, search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the Parse a Document option. This module will enable you to parse data from table items within a PDF document. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, you'll need to connect your PDF.co account to Make by adding your API key. You can find your API key within your PDF.co dashboard. Next, let's select the Import a File from URL option. This will allow you to directly add the URL of your source file. And add the direct URL of your source file. If you're using a file instead of a URL, you can use PDF.co file storage to convert your file to a URL. Then input the template ID that you created in Document Parser Template Editor containing the parsed data of the table items. In this demo, we will use the default value. After setting up the configuration, run the scenario to see the result. The scenario ran successfully and returned the extracted value from table items. We will add another module to collect the list of extracted data and generate a sequence of values. In this step, we'll add the iterator tools to our workflow. These tools will allow us to loop and iterate over a collection of elements, without exposing the underlying data structure. Under the flow control, let's select the body object's value with table array to collect the parser data from the table items. We will now add another module and integrate the Google Sheets app. And select the Add a Row option to insert the extracted data from the table as individual line items. Let's configure Google Sheets to enable data transfer. First, connect your Google Sheets account to Make to authorize access to your spreadsheet. Next, choose a method you want to use. And select My Drive as the source drive. Enter the spreadsheet ID for the target spreadsheet where you want to add the extracted table items. Specify the name of the sheet where the data will be inserted. Indicate whether the table contains headers by selecting Yes or No. Add a specific column range within the spreadsheet or table. Finally, input the extracted values that have been collected with the iterator. Now, let's run the scenario to add the extracted table items to Google Sheets as line items. The scenario has run successfully and the extracted table items have been added to Google Sheets as line items. You can now open your Google Sheets account to view the output. Here are the extracted table items that we successfully added to Google Sheets as line items. We have a wide range of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.